Hey everyone, this is IlluMiNaughty, and today we're going to discuss on creating a word list that we can use to hack my WPA network. I ended up finding an old router with WPA security, and I decided let me plug it in and set it up and use it as a network lab. So have that set up, and I'm going to show you how we can basically crack it using the techniques that we've been learning over the past few videos. So to get started, uh, we're going to type in crunch help, which will give you a brief explanation on what crunch can be used and the usage, the min, max, and any additional options. So in order for us to create a word list, let's say crunch, and then we're going to put in the min amount of letters. So in our case, let's put 4, and the max amount of letters 10. And let's say we want to create words with the letters A, B, C, D, F, and G. Uh, yeah. And you can use also other patterns using the @ sign, which would put any type of letter or password. Now, this type of word list will take forever. Well, not take forever to create, but will take a long time due to the max amount of patterns. So what we could do is put a letter, the wildcard, which is the @ symbol, and we'll just put four of them to start off with, and then these random numbers here we can put, which means that every password will end with the numbers 15263, or every word it will end with that number. Another thing we can do is just put just 4 to 5 passwords or letters, and we can put at 5 times, and then put -w to write or -o for output, and then we're gonna put in 5 combo word list as the name. Press enter. And it looks like we have 2 lines. And we can put cat. Combo word list.